In this video, I'll detail how to enable show summary when logged on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you're using the Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to show summary when logged on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. So here, if you have notifications on your Apple Watch and your Apple Watch screen is locked, then you should see the summary on it. So if I download this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is press the crown button at the top right or left depending on the wrist. Then locate the settings gear icon and click on that. Once you click on that, then you want to scroll down and click on notifications. Then once you select the notifications, scroll down until you get to notification privacy. Then locate show summary when locked. You can see Apple Watch can show a notification summary or short lock when it is locked. This typically has the app icon name and brief headline. So once you enable this and you have any notifications on your Apple Watch, this is going to show the brief summary of the notification on the device lock screen. So this is how you can easily enable show summary when locked on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.